Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use Stoat Messenger. Stoat Messenger is a user-friendly messaging app that lets you chat, share media, and connect with friends easily. And here's how to use it on your mobile phone. First, unlock your mobile phone and open the Google Play Store. Search for Stoat Messenger app, tap Install, and wait for the app to download. Open Stoat Messenger after installation. Tap Sign Up if you're new, or log in if you already have an account. Now if you click the Sign Up, enter your email or phone number, and create a password. And click the Sign Up. Verify your account using the code sent to you. Allow permissions for contacts, notifications, and storage if prompted. Now, once you created an account, set up your profile by tapping Open Settings. Tap Profile, tap the plus button on Profile, choose your profile picture, then hit Done to confirm. Now, go back, tap the three lines in the top left corner, then tap Contacts or Friends, then tap Add with Username to add people. Search for a friend by username, email, or phone number, then add their tags. Tap Add to send a friend request and wait for approval. Now tap the three lines again, tap a contact to open a chat, and start messaging. Use emojis, media, or voice messages to enhance your conversations. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.